Good morning, or at least morning for some of you. Might not be so good, but hopefully it'll get better later. Anyway, I have had a cup of coffee this morning, made it the same way I always do. Water, Taster's Choice, instant coffee, and a tablespoon of Coffee Mate creamer. And I'm only going to be at work for a few hours today, so I might be leaving early. I'm not really hungry just yet, so hopefully I'll be able to eat breakfast and lunch before I leave. If not, I don't know how that'll affect my day. But anyway, good morning. Alrighty, it's about 7:20 a.m. and I am hungry now. I just made that other piece of that video like 5 minutes ago. Wasn't hungry then. Now I'm starving. So what I brought today is breakfast sandwich that I meal prepped on one of my recent videos. This is one English muffin, whole wheat at 120 calories, one egg at 70 calories, 3 pieces of Canadian bacon. I think that's 30 calories if I'm not mistaken. This is 220 calories, plus I'm gonna put a piece of Laughing Cow light cheese on it. That'll be another 30 calories, so this is 250 calories. I may or may not have some grapefruit with it. We'll see how I feel after I eat this. Very satisfying today. Very, very good. Top notch. It's time for lunch. And what I have today is a 4-ounce piece of salmon. That's about 140 calories. I have 2 tablespoons of Hidden Valley light ranch dressing at 60 calories, about 20 calories worth of cheese, some lettuce. I have some steamed broccoli there, and I have 1/4 of a large avocado. If you've been watching my videos, you've seen this thing. Today is the day I need to finish it up. I think I'm going to heat this salmon up. So this avocado ended up being more like, I would say, 1/3 of a large avocado, because I forgot that I had some leftover from something I meal prepped the other day, and I put it in here. So I'm gonna use a measurement for 1/3 of an avocado instead. Don't cheat yourself too much. So good. Another work temptation. Remember, just say no. No. It's 11 a.m. and my relief is here, so I'm gonna make a cup of coffee for the road that I'm gonna bounce. Done at the doctor, and since I was in town, I decided to swing by and get my hair did. And now I gotta go home and figure out what I'm making for dinner. Well, actually, I already figured out what I'm making for dinner because I just sent my man in there to the store to get it. We are gonna have fried potatoes and chicken and probably green beans, and it's gonna be so good and it's gonna be so healthy. I should start using other words instead of good, like some synonyms for good, like exceptional, delectable, delightful. It's gonna taste so marvelous. I need to stop saying good all the time. It's gonna taste so good. But everything tastes so good that I make. So after I got my hair cut, we stopped at the store. We got a bag of russet potatoes. We got 2 rotisserie chickens. I really sent my man in just to get 1, but he got 2 because we don't know how many people are eating tonight. And I wanted to show that when I make the fried potatoes, I usually put like 10 of them in the microwave for 5 minutes to get a little bit soft. They cook really well in the pan. But my man, he's so wonderful. It's Valentine's Day. I stayed out in the car because I was reviewing some of my videos from earlier today, and he came in and he microwaved the potatoes for 5 minutes, and he went ahead and put it in the pan. So I can't show you the part where I microwave them, but remember, if you want them to cook faster, microwave them. Slice them up, put them in the pan, a little EVOO in there, that's extra virgin olive oil, and chop up some onions and put in there, a little bit of garlic, not right off. We'll add the garlic closer to the end because it burns. And I like my potatoes, my fried potatoes, a little bit burned anyway. So if you see some burned ones, that is intentional. And the rotisserie chicken, I'll just break it apart so it's ready to go. And then I'm gonna put some French style green beans with it. In the French style green beans, I'm gonna put some minced onion, just a tiny little bit of bacon bits. If I can find them in my refrigerator, I'll maybe find some kind of fruit with it. And that's gonna be dinner because I was busy today. I had a lot going on and it's a super simple dinner. And fried potatoes aren't bad. I'm not counting carbs, I'm just counting calories really, so I'm not gonna have a whole lot of them. This will be a guilt-free, very, very delicious dinner. All right, we have pre-softened potatoes and we're gonna put about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil in there. A little parsley because it makes everything look professional. A little paprika because it makes things look better. A decent amount of onion powder because it gives a good flavor. And a little bit of ground pepper. Don't you lift this lid. You just let that keep cooking for a little while. Don't lift it until it's ready to flip, at least 10 minutes. And I'm cooking mine on high because I do like mine burned. He even pre-opened these French style green beans for me. He's so sweet. He's so good to me. I'm going to put some real bacon bits in here. These are hickory smoke flavor. 1 tablespoon has 25 calories. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons in here by my guesstimation. Time to cook. And cover it up and keep cooking. Green beans are starting. Wash some strawberries and blueberries. I've been relaxing for a while, and my final act of the night is to have my nighttime Metamucil. I try to do that every night for fiber, plus it's really filling. I find that I don't really need like a bedtime snack all the time if I take the Metamucil, and I always do like 2 or 3 cups of water. The measurements for this are 2 rounded teaspoons is 30 calories. I always do a full tablespoon because that's what I prefer. Don't take it if it's contraindicated. I have a half tablespoon measure here, so I'm going to use 2 of them. 1, 2, mix it around really, really, really well, and then drink it. I'm not telling you to do this, this is just what I do. And just since posting my first video, or since making my first video, I have already lost like 9 or 10 pounds, and I'm really happy that I'm making progress because kind of fallen off the wagon a little bit. Anyway, this is ready to drink. To me, it tastes delicious. That's it for tonight. Please like and subscribe if you are liking my videos. and hope to see you next time.
I'm not your baby girl, I'm